Commissioner Romeo Lumagi Jr. of the Bureau of Internal Revenue assured the public that the BIR is dedicated to keeping taxpayers well informed about their obligations. This commitment is in line with the directive of President Ferdinand Marcos Jr., emphasizing the need to expedite and simplify tax payment transactions.
We make sure that we go the extra mile in explaining to the taxpayers their tax obligations.
The Commissioner highlighted the agency's goals of ensuring that everyone can fulfill their tax responsibilities correctly, especially given the evolving nature of the BIR's regulation.
Unang-una, alam natin ang direktiba ng ating mahal na Pangulo na siguraduhin na mapabilis at mapagaan ang transaksyon dito sa BIR. Kaya naman na ito yung naisipan natin na para ma-implement ang policies ng ating mahal na Pangulo na siguraduhin na makapagbayad ng tamang buwis ang lahat. Friendly approach kasi na iniintindihan naman natin na ang tax ay napakakomplikadong proseso, kaya naman hindi ganun kadaling intindihin.
He emphasized that non-compliance would not be taken lightly, revealing that a fine ranging from 1,000 to 50,000 pesos would be imposed on those who fail to meet their tax obligations.
Siguro bigyan natin ng mga 3 buwan, ganyan, makakabalik tayo para naman ma-check natin kung nag-comply na sila. Nationwide po ulit yan, kaya sa susunod na pagbisita natin at nakita rin natin na hindi pa sila nag-comply ay syempre we will take it as parang intentional na pagkatapos kayong maturuan at masabihan kung anong dapat gawin at hindi pa rin ginawa ay syempre medyo kailangan na natin na i-enforce ang nakalagay sa batas ng mga penalties.
Discussing the new ease of paying taxes law, Commissioner Lumagi Jr. explained that it aligns with the President's vision of facilitating a more convenient tax-paying process. He detailed a segmentation strategy for taxpayers, acknowledging the varying requirements for large and small businesses.
So with this ease of paying taxes ay mas maraming proseso ang pwede nating padaliin at mas marami tayong magawa dahil gusto, again, na ang concentration natin talaga ay mas mapagaan ang transaksyon sa aming ahensya. Yung mga malalaking taxpayers at ay iba ang mga magiging requirements sa mga mas maliliit na taxpayers dahil naiintindihan natin syempre dahil mas maliit ang operasyon nila, mas maliit ang kita nila at mas wala silang pambayad sa mga professionals na pwedeng tumulong sa kanila katulad ng accountant at mga lawyers.
Under the new law, the previously mandatory annual registration fee of 500 pesos payable before or on the last day of January has been abolished. This move is anticipated to relieve taxpayers of an additional financial burden.
Again, mas mapapadali yung pagbayad ng buwis. So maraming nakalatag dyan na siguro ngayong buwan na to matatapos namin yung drafting ng revenue regulations para ma-implement na namin kung ano yung sinasabi sa batas. Yung isang na-implement natin yung hindi na pag-impose ng annual registration fee. So wala na yung hindi na kailangan bayad ng registration fee.
Commissioner Lumagi Jr. expressed optimism that the Ease of Paying Taxes Act would encourage more individuals and businesses to fulfill their tax obligations promptly, fostering a culture of compliance. Jedna Resina, UNTV News and Rescue. We serve the people, we give glory to God.